Are you looking for the perfect tool to help you eradicate varmints on your homestead? Or are you looking to take your hunting game to the next level? Well, you're in the right place. Now, let's take a look at the monocular. Try to swing it open where you guys can see it. Comes in a nice case. Now, this is the actual first thermal rifle scope I've ever owned. Like I said, I am an infrared thermographer. I do have an in-depth knowledge of infrared. We also use infrared on V-22s and stuff. But like I said, this is my first infrared optic. Pretty excited about it. Okay, so it looks like we got a bunch of stuff up here. Start from the top with our accessories. This looks like different charging adapters. Yeah, this looks like the American one, so yeah. We'll set those off for now. Let's see what we got here. This looks like a battery charger. If I'm not mistaken, this can be used to charge all kinds of batteries, like CR123s and everything. Oh, look at this. Get a nice mount. Look at that. It's a quick disconnect mount. Very nice. And it looks like the screws and Allen key to mount that mount. And I'm going to kind of set all the crap that I don't need up there. I'm assuming I'll need this. Everything else can stay in plastic. Looks like 5 volts, 2.1 amp input for this. It does have an instruction manual. Brief overview of that. Auto identifies. Charge battery, connect power supply, insert batteries. The activatable battery can be charged in 10 minutes after inserting them in the battery charger. Switch display information, yada, yada, yada. And then battery, internal resistance, charging capacity, charging current. Gives you all kinds of good information. So it actually monitors the batteries apparently too, see if they're bad. This is good because I got a bunch of CR123s that I need to recharge, and you know, my ex, she ended up with the battery charger in the divorce. It's fun. We got here a strap. Looks like a strap for this case. That's neat. That'll definitely come in handy because I will be using this case to move this optic around. I will not be leaving this on my rifle in the cold. And from what I read, I think this is an American Defense mount or something. This mount's supposed to keep you within MOA if you take it off a rifle and put it back on. So looking pretty forward to that. Do not return to store, same thing. Quality control, inspected and passed. Another manual. Open this flap over. Some more padding. Looks like we've got our charging and data cord. Now, from what I can tell, and I probably will be using an external battery pack on this because I do like to hunt a long time. I think these batteries were supposed to last like 4 or 5 hours a piece. I'm going to probably hook an external battery pack to that and make them last a little bit longer. I'll probably 3D print a Picatinny rail for that. Here's our charger and our two, what are these? 3200 milliamp hour. I think these are 1834 CR 1834s. Model HM 3632 DC. 3.6 volts. I think these are the same batteries my IR flashlight uses. So I might actually be able to use my IR flashlight batteries on this too. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get these charging now. This goes in there like this. I see. Right there. Give me some cordage. This is supposed to have all that auto sensing